It's cheaper to keep her. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by me by way of Kinky's debit card. And let me just say, this is some of the best money I have ever spent, aka he has ever spent on me, because do y'all see this wig? Woo! This is a $32 synthetic wig. Sit in that for a second. Not too long, get that card. So before I show you guys how to slay this wig as a beginner, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so today's unit is from the Outre Melted Hairline series. This is the KinkySoft edges in the style KinkySoft 1. I got it in the color Ash Brown Melt, and it is 28 inches. Okay, let's get this out of here. I already tried the sensational soft edges Kinky Straight, and y'all know I really like that one. I wore that one for almost a week straight. I took it off at night, okay, because y'all know I don't sleep in these wigs, especially the synthetic ones. If it's cheap, don't sleep. It's cheaper to keep her. So save your wigs, okay? Oh, this is wrapped around a couple times. Let's be smarter than the packaging. Let's get her out of here. Golly. Do you want me to have the wig? I mean, I could have used scissors, but I was being impatient. Ooh, the edges look soft. I think I can do some things with that. Cut off the card, because this is my wig. I mean, do you want me to have the wig? This is what the wig is looking like. Ooh, she is definitely ashy. I thought she was gonna be a little bit darker. What's on her card? Ash brown. Oh, it is ash brown. Okay. It looks a lot more golden on her card, but only because of that lighting. Dang it. But y'all see right here, it looks very like, ooh, not that. It has some gray in there. It's just how the blonde is mixing with the brown. So it's making it real ashy. But that's okay. I did get the natural color, so depending on how this one looks, it will tell me just about how this one will look on me. It comes with the made to match textured edges, fast and easy, effortless glueless installs, redesigned comfort fit ear contour, salon inspired colors, pre-attached wide elastic band for secure fit, soft HD transparent lace, pre-plucked hairline and sideburns, kinky textured, soft to touch edges. That's how she's looking on the inside. What color is that? That looks purple. What is that? Blackberry? I may need to get that one. That's pretty. It's like a purple color. Y'all see that? That's cute. This is what the hairline is looking like. The way they look, how soft they look, that's how soft they are in person. Compared to the sensational version, this is only a lace part. You do get some lace in the front where the edges are. It has two combs on the side, then it has a comb in the back with the adjustable straps, and like it said, the attached elastic band. Because the hair is ashy, I wanna make sure that my scalp color is right. And I feel like if I use my milk chocolate color, it'll be too light. So I'm gonna use the contour shade from this palette here. This is the dark to medium palette from the Black Radiance contour palette. Place that all around the hairline and into that parting space. One thing I like about these synthetic wigs, they come pre-styled. Okay, you're not gonna lose your curls after a couple hours. Bring it down. Will she fit? Edges look really nice. Really nice. They blend black. I am black, but they blend back into the hairline really nicely. So this just lets me know that the black one is gonna be real nice, because normally special colors are normally the ones that give you the idea of how the natural colors are gonna look, because the natural colors normally look better than the special colors. Cut off the ear tab, because I don't need that. And then I wanna do a little plucking just to open that up a little bit. I don't want the hairline to be so straight, you know? Where's my other brush? Comb that out. A little bit right here. And a little bit right here. Cut that lace off like that. This is going by pretty fast. Okay. Not really Mousse. Pop that, ooh, not on my face. Pop that around my hairline so I can lay these edges down. Push them down like that, push them back. Push that back, bring this down. Get my little sideburns down. Here we go. Wrap it down, like so. All right, now let's do some makeup. Get any snags or tangles that I might have, which I'm not getting anything so far. Okay. Very lightweight, which I don't mind in this heat that we got going on outside. Minimal tangles and minimal shedding. Cool. I can't see nothing. Let's take off this band so I can put my glasses on. Gotta blend in this hairline too. Clip it back so I can see. Glasses over top the lace, over the sideburns. I know that natural black is gonna look good. I just know, cause look at this. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's blend in that makeup. I don't think I need to spray it down, but for my security, I'm gonna do a little right here, just for my security. This wind don't be playing sometimes, so I'm just gonna spray right here in the middle. You don't gotta do this. This is for my security, okay? Put a little bit more contour powder right in here because it's picking up that light and it's ashy. Let me see, where's my spray? This is all optional. Same thing over here. Just right here at that edge, at that corner. Not too much spray. Just doing a little bit right here and a little bit on the sides. I just need a little something because I want it to lay a certain way. Do a little pressing on top, not a lot. Brush it again. Ooh, very soft. Very soft hair. Now I really want that black. I'm pretty sure it's black. It might be a 2, but the good thing is I already have it because I know y'all about to buy this joint out. Let me put a little powder in my parting space. Use my milk chocolate powder just to brighten that up a bit. It's really crooked. How'd that happen? Let's see. Flatten that out. I got my TYMO on the second one. The color kind of changes how it looks on top, so that's why I'm kind of like, eh. You know what I'm saying? Like those blonde highlights, you can see them a little bit more. Because the hair is still super pretty. Okay, y'all, so let me do something really quick. I'm gonna turn down the lights in this video because I feel like it's a little bit too bright for this hair. Is that better? I think so. So you can see how the color actually looks. It does give off like a gray tone because of the brown and the blonde mixture. My ears are poking out and I don't like that. Let me bring this hair out a little bit, kind of help with that. I feel like for $30, depending on the color you get, it's about 32 to 40. It's a good look. Comparing this one to the Sensational has the 13x6 parting space. So more parting space and it's a tad bit thicker. And even though the Sensational hair is pretty soft and it feels good, it does get tangled and snagged. This one, not so much. The hair density is a lot thinner. The hair is a lot softer. It just feels a lot better in my opinion. Y'all see that hairline? Nothing crazy. I'm gonna definitely go back in later on and just cut out some of the lace right here and probably some on the sides so that the line of demarcation is not so, you know, like thick. You can't really notice it as much back here because of how the hairline is. But once I start doing all this, you can see that. Listen, yeah, I changed my glasses out and took the hair down and I'm still looking good. It just needed a little something extra. These right here. The hair is very lightweight. The bump is bumping, so it's giving me a little extra something around my face with those layers. I like it. Y'all know I'm here for a messy type of flip over look. But that's all I got for you guys today because, you know, it's time for people to see me. Shout out one more time to my man for letting me swipey swipey. Thank you. I will put the direct link for my unit as well as all the products that I use in today's video down below in my description box. So if you want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much and I will see you next time. Bye.